right? So let's start with the first job opening. So this is actually in Bangalore, and this is L2 position, right, which is for the security analyst. So role is security analyst L2, which probably like there are three. I'll tell you L1, L2, L3. So L3 is the most senior, L2 is the middle one, and L1 is the starting freshers. So this is L2. So that's why they want 4+ years of experience. It's hybrid because which means घर से भी office से दोनों sides you need to work. They will tell you when to do. If you want to join, you need to you will be having a 60 days of notice period. How to apply? If you want to apply, just drop your resume to priyal.gupta global and dot entity. The thing that you need to remember is just write on application for security engineer L2 role along with your name, whatever name you have. In my case, my name is M Kumar, so I'll just skip this one and drop a resume to the this mail ID. Right? If you'll be fit candidate, then you'll get selected. Now, next one is basically for the network engineer. So they want someone like freshers will also work and experience will also work, right? So right, total experience in networking, experience in IT based product. What is your current salary expected salary, notice period, how many days? Work from office, will it be fine for you? It will Gurgaon, and what is your current location? So just write it down, everything in the mail. Drop your resume on this soyer.tookla@myrealdata.in, and probably you'll get selected because they are looking from a very long time. Now, next one is someone is looking for VAPT security analyst, hands-on. So, cloud VAPT, AWS, Azure, and GCP knowledge is important. Mobile application pen testing as well. It's a Mumbai-based location, and manish.das@matrix3d.com is the mail on which you need to copy your resume. So, guys, right now there's a lot of companies looking for uh, SOC and pen testers. So, if you want to learn about web application pen testing and want to get some hands-on salary job, then you can check out this URL because we have extended 2 days for our training come internship program in web application pen testing. Check out. Next one is someone is looking for security consultant, 10 positions, 0 to 4 years of experience. They want like freshers can do. This is the link jobs.securityboard.net on which you can just check out. Right. Now the next one is Executive Security Operations Center SOC Thane. 1 to 3 years of experience is required. Thane, Mumbai based location. Urvi.s@netlabsindia.com and spita.r@netlabsindia.com is the mail on which you need to drop your resume. So guys, I always tell कि there's a lot of requirement for SOC, लेकिन सीखना नहीं है, करना नहीं, जॉब बैठ के घर का रोटी तोड़ना है. If you don't want to घर का रोटी तोड़ना, then you can join our associate. अगर experience है, you can join, right? अगर experience नहीं है, then I strongly recommend you to do security operations center training and internship program at VIEH group so that you'll have a hands-on knowledge, right? क्या होता है SOC, how does it work? So it will be helpful for you, right? So check out this URL. So that's all for you guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any questions, please ask.